Good evening. The Pietermaritzburg High Court is now to rule on the best interests of the child principle in a case between the KwaZulu-Natal Department of Social Development and the Morester Children's home based in Newcastle and Ladysmith. That's after the department removed nearly 200 children from the home, citing gross violations of their rights and racism. The homes denied the allegations.
Social Development is basing its allegations on this video. A white official is heard yelling at black workers at Morester Children's home, telling them to work fast and that whites have ensured them better lives than blacks in Zimbabwe. According to the home, Social Development officials and heavily armed police stormed the center over the weekend and removed the children. It claims the children were resisting to leave.
I don't want to leave this place here because next day I'm getting furnished and the aunties, they've been treating us so nicely.
They did not understand why they were being taken away. The kids were crying. Some of our kids were taken away here just in the clothes that they had on their body. Their baggage was left behind. Some of the children were removed without the chronic medication that they are on. The children's interests were not taken into consideration here at all.
But the department says it acted in the best interest of the children.
We found that there is serious acts of racism in the facility by one of senior staff members, where our children and also the staff members who are African in nature are groomed to white supremacy.
The home claims relatives of the children were not informed about the removal. It says it does not know where they have been placed.
If there are things that you know of that we don't know of, we want to know about it. Let's investigate it. Let's go right to the bone of what is the problem, because we want it to be solved. We don't want to cover up anything. We don't want anything to be done in secret. We even said to the Department of Social Development, if you have such serious concerns to act in the way that you act now, take over, bring in your staff.
The home blames the department of violating the children's rights. It applied to the Pietermaritzburg High Court to order the department to return the children. Londe Khateb, SABC News, Ladysmith.